In this kit we are verifying the KVL and KCL. Okay. Now this is our circuit diagram. This is our resistor bank. This is a voltage source. Okay. This is the indicator of the power. Now according to our circuit diagram, this is our practical circuit diagram. Now first give the connections. Voltage source and voltmeter. Okay. Now here is the voltage source as giving the connection plus to plus and minus to minus. Take the connecting wires and place to place. Next minus minus. Next after that just giving the connection about the resistor R1, R2 and R3. Now identify the R1 value how much? 330. Now placing the resistor like this. R1 first end, R1 last end. Next R2 value 390. Now here there is a no middle branch. So that's why we are not taking the middle branch. Now R3 becomes R2, R4 becomes R3. Now R2 value is 390. Now give the connection like this. Next R3 value 470. Now next, this one is the R4 470 is completed. Now switch on the heat. Now here is we are applying some voltage, but there is a no display. For display purpose we are connecting the voltmeter. These two are look like parallel connection. Okay, parallel connection. In parallel connection we are giving to the top of the probe to the voltmeter. Okay, top of the probe to the voltmeter, positive to positive, negative to negative. Negative to negative. Now again we are easily identify how much voltage we are passing to the circuit. Okay, here is the display is there. We have three cases, 5, 10, 12 is there. This is the 5 volts. Okay, we are applying like this. Now similarly, now according to each resistor some voltage drop will be there. It will be measured by the voltmeter. V1, V2 and V3. Now R1 and V1, these two are connected in which connection? Series. These two are connected in which look like which connection? Parallel. Now parallel connection. Next one, there is a now switch on everything. Now here is we are applying some voltage 5 volts. In case 1 we are taking the 5 volts. Okay, 5 volts we are applied, but we are not getting the V1, V2, V3. Due to the some open circuit will be there between the resistor to resistor and voltage to resistor. Here is the open circuit is there. So we are must and should be close the open ports. Now the current will be flowing through the resistor R1. Okay. Now again same. Is there any open ports are there near to resistor? Just close. Because of the current will be flow. Otherwise we are getting the current value 0. Now according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. If the I is 0, V equal to 0. So Here is we can close that open force. The current will be flow. We are getting the values. Here is the 1.45 and here is the 1.117 and here is the 2.05. The summation of three voltages, we are getting the 5 volts. So this is our KVL verification. Now similarly you can do the 10 volts and 12 volts. Okay, this is the verification of KVL. Right. Okay. So that's why I am not taking. If it is take, you can take. At the same thing, you can change the circuit diagram. It is easy to manage understanding about the KVL. So that's why I am not taking. Okay. ఇక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చి ఇలా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయింది.